A. Alligator. An alligator swam so free through the river, wild and deep, snapping jaws and swishing tail, gliding past a wooden sail. B. Bear. A big brown bear in a tall green tree shook the branches joyfully. With a hop and a heavy thud, down he tumbled in the mud. C. Cat. A clever cat with eyes so bright tiptoed softly late at night, with a purr and a tiny leap onto the rooftop high and steep. D. Dolphin. A dolphin danced in ocean blue, leaping high and twirling too. With a whistle, splash and play, she flips her tail and swims away. E. Elephant. An elephant stomped through the trees, waving his trunk in the jungle breeze, spraying water, cool and sweet, keeping cool in the summer heat. F. Fox. A fluffy fox, so sly and bright, dashes swiftly in the night. Through the meadow, fast and keen, orange fur with golden sheen. G. Giraffe. A giraffe so tall with a long, long neck, peeks at birds from his leafy deck, munching leaves up high with glee. What a funny sight to see! H. Hedgehog. A hedgehog rolls into a ball, tiny, spiky, round and small, sniffing softly, nose so sweet, scurrying fast on little feet. I. Iguana. An iguana basks in the golden sun, climbing rocks, having fun. With a flick and a little crawl, he vanishes behind a wall. J. Jaguar. A jaguar races through the trees, leaping high with grace and ease. Spotted coat and golden eyes, through the jungle, swift he flies. K. Kangaroo. A kangaroo jumps in the bright sunlight, bouncing left and then to the right. With a pouch so warm and wide, her little Joey peeks outside. L. Lion. A lion roars, so big and loud, golden mane, so strong and proud. He stretches long, then takes a nap, dreaming of his jungle map. M. Monkey. A monkey swings from tree to tree, laughing, chattering, full of glee. Tails that twist and hands that clap, grabbing fruit with a happy snap. N. Nightingale. A nightingale sings a lullaby, soft and sweet beneath the sky. Silver notes that dance and play, filling hearts till break of day. O. Owl. An owl hoots in the moonlight bright, watching the world from a branch at night. With twinkling eyes and feathers wide, he flutters off for a silent glide. P. Penguin. A penguin waddles, black and white, sliding fast in snowy light. Flippers flapping, cold and cool, diving deep in the icy pool. Q. Quail. A quail hops through the golden hay, fluffing feathers all the way. A little chirp, a tiny peep, then off she scurries, quick and neat. R. Rabbit. A rabbit hops so light and quick, through the grass, a tiny flick. With a wiggle, jump, and spin, he hides away with a playful grin. S. Squirrel. A squirrel scurries up a tree, looking down so playfully. With a twitch and a little twirl, he spins around, his tail a swirl. T. Tiger. A tiger creeps so low, so sly, golden stripes and glowing eyes. With a leap and mighty roar, he pounces fast and runs once more. U. Urchin. A sea urchin rolls in waves so wide, spiky, round and full of pride. Drifting softly side to side, in the ocean he will hide. V. Vulture. A vulture soars with wings spread wide, gliding high with strength and pride. Through the air, so free and bold, dancing shadows, dark and gold. W. Whale. A whale sings in the ocean deep, humming low where the waters sleep. With a splash and a great big spray, she dives down, then swims away. X. X-ray fish. An X-ray fish so small and bright, shimmering softly, clear as light. Gliding, glowing in the deep, a magic flash beneath the reef. Y. Yak. A woolly yak, so big and strong, trekking through the hills so long. With shaggy fur and steady feet, he climbs up high where mountains meet. Z. Zebra. A zebra gallops fast and free, black and white for all to see, stripes that shimmer in the sun, running wild, having fun.